Contradictions are the foundation of everyday life here. Revered as sacred, the cow is also a lowly beast of burden that toils in the fields and provides daily transport. Hand-fed, pampered, and decorated, the cow is also abandoned to forage for itself in the streets. The cow is both a long-suffering animal and the infinitely adaptable mother of the universe. Even in the 21st century, a new building cannot begin without the holy cow's blessing, and when complete, the owners must perform the necessary bovine rituals. This is no backward village superstition. Attending this ceremony are modern professionals, a filmmaker, a doctor, an airline pilot, and a successful businessman. But without the cow's blessings, nobody can move in.